Hello everyone. Today's video will introduce you what to do when the camera fails to connect to the Cam 720 app. Let's get started.
Hey, hello Kevin. My camera won't connect. I have tried several times and I can't figure out what's wrong.
Hello, please don't worry. I'll help you solve your problem as much as possible. Because I'm not sure whether your previous steps are completely correct, let's reset the product together and start from the beginning, okay?
Yes.
Please find the reset button of the camera and plug the camera into power supply. Press and hold the reset button of the camera for more than 5 seconds until the camera makes a DD sound.
Oh.
Which means the camera has been reset successfully and its hotspot has been activated.
Okay, I see.
In fact, camera connection is relatively simple. Generally, you need to pay attention to the following 2 points. Number 1, the mobile phone is connected to 2.4G Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth. When the camera prompts that the connection is failed, we need to check whether the Wi-Fi connect to mobile phone is 2.4G Wi-Fi. I see the Wi-Fi you're connected to may not be 2.4G Wi-Fi, so we need to access to the router setting interface to separate the router's frequency band. That is, turn off the dual band integration button. Please let me show you how to turn off dual band integration in the router setup interface. Preparation, we can successfully connect to Wi-Fi. The following video shows the process about how to connect camera with app via Bluetooth.
Well, today's video ends here. Thank you for watching. If we can help you, we will be very happy. This will be a very meaningful moment, and I also wish you a happy day. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.